It feels so good out here. It feels real good out here. It's 70, 75 degrees. And it feels good. Not too cold, not too hot, just right. How y'all doing today? What y'all doing? Did y'all go to work? Where y'all work at? How many children y'all got? What's y'all favorite thing of the day to be doing? I like to do hair. I'm gonna do some hair videos. Lord willing, the Holy Spirit lead me. I do some hair videos. What y'all gonna cook today? Anybody cooking today? If anybody cooking today, put it down in the comments. I need some cooking ideas, some dinner ideas. Put it down in the comment and tell me what you gonna cook. If you got a YouTube channel, tell me the name of your channel so I can come subscribe to your channel. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my page. And I appreciate y'all so much for doing that. I'm a new YouTuber and I'm trying to just find my way through the YouTube world. So if y'all so kindly would do, help me with my YouTube channel. Tell me what to do, how to do it, when to do it. You got any good editing apps? Tell me the name of them. Tell me what we're about to go download them at. Give me some tricks and ideas on how to make my page pop. And just help me through this new YouTuber world. And I really appreciate y'all. And if y'all got any questions for me, and I hope you do, put it down in the comments so I can answer y'all questions. And come talk to me. I want to talk to y'all. I want to get to meet some new people. I like talking. Somebody told me I talk too much. I probably do. But come on, y'all. Let's talk. Let's talk it up. Give me some ideas on how to make my YouTube page flourish. And I appreciate y'all so much for doing that.